Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here we have an example where we have to solve the second order non-homogeneous linear differential equation by the method of undetermined coefficient. This y double dash means d square y, this y dash means dy. Now from here we have to take y common. This is the equivalent form of the differential equation. Now by equating 4x plus 5 equal to 0, this equation is called homogeneous differential equation. Now by ignoring y, we will get the corresponding auxiliary or homogeneous equation. So this equation will be the auxiliary or characteristic equation. Now here we have 1, here we have 2, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to replace this 3d by d plus 2d. Now taking common and finding the factorization. So this will be the factorization. Now here we have the product of two factors equal to 0. By zero product property, either first factor will be 0 or the second factor will be 0, which gives two values of d, and these two values are values of m1 and m2. Hence the complementary function will be y is equal to c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. Putting the values of m1 m2, this is the complementary function. Now taking the right hand side of the given differential equation, q is equal to 4x plus 5. This is the right hand side of the differential equation, which is a linear polynomial. So whenever there is a linear polynomial at the right hand side of the non-homogeneous differential equation, then the trial solution will also be a generalized linear polynomial. So this is the generalized linear polynomial corresponding to the function q lying to the right hand side. Now this is, since this q is linear polynomial, so the trial solution will also be linear polynomial. Now there is, if we compare yc with the trial solution, there are no matching terms, hence there is no failure case. Now we have to differentiate y two times. So y dash is equal to a, y double dash is equal to 0, y and all its derivatives can be substituted in the differential equation, because y is the trial solution and this trial solution satisfies the given differential equation. Hence we proceed the problem further. These are the values and this is the differential equation. Putting the values, simplifying. Now comparing both sides, this 2a is equal to 4, which gives a is equal to 2. This 3a plus 2b is a constant term, and here we have the constant 5. Now putting value of a and simplifying, b is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now this is the trial solution. So putting the values a and b, this will be the particular integral. Now the complete solution is always equal to y is equal to yc plus yp. Putting the value, this is the complete solution. Now this yp is equal to 2x minus 1 over 2. This is the particular integral. Now we find this value by another method to see the value. Let's see the given differential equation. This equation can be written in this way. Now dividing both sides by this polynomial operator, so this is the result. Now this result will give the particular integral. Now this inverse operator can be written as in this way. Now taking 2 common, so this 2 will be taken out common along with this power. Now here we have this 1 will be taken as first term, these 2 will be taken as the second term. Now using binomial theorem, so we get 2 power minus 1 is equal to 1 over 2, and we get 1 minus this is the second term which is here, and this is n into n minus 1 by 2 pictorial. This second term is here in the square form, and the expansion is up to infinity. Due to the reason this is a negative power. Now simplifying, this is a 1 minus into plus this minus into plus this. All these terms will be neglected because d square and higher power of d makes the value of 4x plus 5 equal to 0. If we differentiate 4x plus 5 2 times or more than 2 times, the result will be 0. That's why we ignore all these terms. So we get y is equal to 1 over 2 1 minus 3d divided by 2 minus d square divided by 2, and all the remaining terms are neglected. Now simplifying, this 4x plus 5 will be here, multiplied this one by this one. This is the result. Here we have minus 3 over 2 derivative of 4x plus 5, and this minus 1 over 2 here d square, that is the second order derivative of the given polynomial. Now this derivative of 4x plus 5 is 4, and the second order derivative will be 0. Now simplifying, this is the simplification, and finally we get to this and this value. This is the particular integral which have already been found by method of undetermined coefficient. Thank you.